Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video of Dollar Tree and what they have for Halloween and fall. Now these here are so cute. They have these different little signs here. They have different little sayings, little wooden signs. Some says the witch is in, and then some say, what does this one say here? Welcome to the haunted home. But these are little 2 packs for $1.25. Also, they have some Halloween signs out. Just a few of them are out so far. And also, they have the little Halloween decor for your home. And these little pumpkin picks would go good inside your pumpkins. Well, good inside a wreath. Now, let's go over to this owl here. Now, here is the Halloween owl. They have some stuff out already. Here's the mesh from last year, and also some little Halloween trees, and just little signage and decor, little crafts. These are little crafts that would be good for the kids, and also just little things you can add to your wreaths or any kind of decor that you're making. I will be coming back through here, picking up some, and here are the wire pumpkin frames here, and also all the different color fall mesh. And these right here, these are so cute. I got some of these at Hobby Lobby last year, and now I see them here this year. But I will be grabbing up a lot of this stuff later on. And also, here's a few more Halloween items here. Here's some velvet ribbon. I did not see this last year. That's pretty. How many feet is this? This is only 1 yard, 3 feet for $1.25. And then they have the Halloween trees. I think they're orange and black down here. And also these ornament balls. Yeah, these are like orange and black. So depending on what I end up doing, I might grab a few of those trees. And here is all the signage. These are little wooden signs down here. And then some glazed fall pumpkins. And then here are more little pumpkins. They have the little clips on them, different colors. Little 3 packs for $1.25. And then the scarecrows.
Excuse me. We're going this way.
Thank you. Okay, it's busy at this, so I'm gonna make this video quick. And here's some more of the signage.
Okay.
Had to let them pass through. Don't want to get any people or kids in my videos. But these signs are so pretty. I didn't see any of these over here signs last year. Didn't see any of those. So I will be grabbing some more of those. And this is so pretty. Y'all, I'm gonna go nuts. But for right now, I'm gonna sort out all of my craft supplies for the fall, and I will start making my fall decor next week. August 1st is next Thursday, I believe. Yeah. And I said I'm not gonna get into fall until August, so I can't wait. But these signs are so pretty. I like these. And I just saw some shorts on YouTube of some simple, I mean really simple and really pretty craft centerpiece DIYs. So I will be doing some of those. Quick way to make some centerpieces. And here's the fall floral. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna be grabbing some more of this, but y'all, If y'all have not checked out y'all's Dollar Tree, all the fall is out. The signs and all the little decor you can use for your wreaths, centerpieces, floral arrangements. So you might want to go and check it out. But Halloween is also out. Oh, these little roses here, I didn't see any of these. But now it's the time to start grabbing all your stuff for fall and Halloween. So if y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.